Everyone always argues about the best way to use Linux. Some people think it's a desktop environment like KDE or GNOME, and others think it's a tiling window manager like Hyprland or Neri. But what if I told you the best way is actually Minecraft? Oh my god, it actually worked. What? Okay, maybe not the best way, but definitely one of the most unique and fun ways. So this girl on GitHub named Evelyn or Evie actually built this mod called Waylandcraft. So unfortunately, you can't run this on Windows or Mac OS, but fortunately, we don't like those operating systems. We're on Linux. Okay, so here we are in Minecraft, and if I hit V, we can see our app launcher opens up. Let's open up our terminal, which is Kitty. And here we can see we're dropped into a directory, Wayland Minecraft. So it looks like this is just like data for the mod, the Waylandcraft mod. This is super cool. I can literally highlight text while still moving around my camera in Minecraft. This is awesome. So obviously the terminal is just one app. Let's see what else we got here. I just thought of the funniest thing ever. So we're on Minecraft. If you're not aware, the biggest competitor of Minecraft ever just came out a couple months ago, and that's Hightail. Let's see if we can run Hightail within this mod in Minecraft. So we have a little error here for missing controller support, but we're just going to continue anyways. What's really cool is I can move around the world and the window stays where it is. I can just see it from like different perspectives. It looks so weird just floating. It's like 1 pixel wide. Okay, so the update's done installing. And now we can hit play. Unknown window, Hightail. Oh my god, it actually worked. What? This is crazy. What? It actually worked. We're actually playing Hightail in Minecraft. Okay, so I'm kind of worried because we're in survival mode and it's turning night in our Minecraft world. Hopefully we don't die to some zombie. And we're in Hightail through Minecraft. We're playing Hightail. Okay, it's a little, there's some flickering happening, but we can play. We can open our inventory, move things around. All right, let's play some Hightail. Where are all the mobs at? It's kind of throwing me off that there's two cursors. There's my Minecraft and there's my Hightail cursor. So let's actually do something. Let's turn off. Let's do F1. There we go. I'm actually getting pretty decent FPS on Hightail. Like, it looks pretty good. I know the screen is flickering, but that's really the only negative downside. Like, the FPS is good. This runs well. All right, we're fighting this skeleton. Oh, and he's dead. I'm not gonna lie. I know there's been a lot of negative opinions about Hightail recently, but I'm actually a fan of this game. I think it's awesome. So we know we can play Hightail in Minecraft, which is insane. Let's see what else this thing can do. So we can open up KDE Live, which is where I edit all my videos. And look, this is a timeline from my last video. I don't know why the window is so much bigger than all the other windows. We actually got a pretty good 3-monitor setup going on right here. I don't know what's happening in the terminal. Can we edit this video? Move this clip. Oh, we can move this clip over. Can we hit play? I started using this one pretty recently, and honestly, I actually do really like it. So it's kind of glitchy, but it works. By the way, if you haven't seen this video and you use Hyprland, you have to watch this video. It's the 10 best Hyprland plugins for your setup. This is sick. Maybe I'll edit my future videos on this. Let's do a 360 setup and open all of our apps right here. For some reason, Firefox is absolutely massive too. We got to go all the way up here for our search bar. Here, let me use my zoom feature. Okay, so we have Reddit, Wikipedia, YouTube, and AP News. Let's do Wikipedia. Let's see what's going on in Wikipedia. So if you're wondering why this mod is called Waylandcraft, this will answer your question. Wayland is a communication protocol that specifies a communication between a display server and its clients. A display server using the Wayland protocol is called the Wayland compositor. Fun fact, this mod is a Wayland compositor, so it can run every Wayland app within here. Dude, honestly, this mod should get its own Wikipedia article. I think this is crazy. This is so impressive. Okay, so I know you just saw me play Hightail within Minecraft. Now let's see if we can play Minecraft within Minecraft. But this actually ended up being way harder than I originally thought. I tried opening Prism Launcher, which is what I used to run Minecraft, and it would only open inside of my desktop, not Minecraft. So I decided to find the exact command that Prism Launcher was running to open Minecraft. And then I copied and pasted that into the terminal on Minecraft, but I got an error. And then I remembered, Waylandcraft only runs Wayland apps. Maybe this is an X11 app, which it wouldn't support. So I found this Google AI app that tells you whether or not an application is an X11 app by whether or not the eyes follow the cursor. And of course, that made me realize the Minecraft instance was an X11 app. So I decided to check the GitHub page of Waylandcraft to see whether or not it can run X11 apps. And luckily, it can. I just needed to download X Wayland Satellite, and then it worked. So you can understand why I reacted this way. Whoa. Let's go. Oh my god, it worked. We just launched Minecraft within Minecraft. This is like Minecraft Inception. Look at this. This is the world that I'm currently on. It's called Wayland. It says looked by another running instance of Minecraft. That's us. That's this world. Let's try joining this 90s computer world. Whoa, okay, so we're glitching out big time. So it looks like we can use the keyboard to move around, but the mouse is actually not working. I'm not sure why. It worked on Hightail. Funny enough, we're looking at a mouse right here and a keyboard. If you don't recognize this map, I actually use this map in a video where I talk about why so many Minecraft players become software engineers. This mod is awesome. Go ahead and show the author some love. I'm going to link this mod down in the description. I hope you enjoyed the video. My name is Slax, and I hope you have a great day.